Basically today, the plan is to show you guys a little bit of how you electrocute an acoustic. Ideally, this is not a how-to video by any means. This is quite literally possibly the opposite, but we'll find out. One of the first steps is removing the paint or the finish or whatever coating is on your guitar. The reason is paint, stain, finish, all are considered insulators, and to pump a whole lot of juice through the wood, you kind of need to have that bare wood. You can't have anything insulating it. Alright, step one, sanding. Before you sand, you want to detune your guitar. It takes off tension off the strings and off the bridge, which in this case, when I got it, it was actually pulling itself right off there. I threw some type on wood glue in there, and it seems to be holding up pretty good. We'll see how long that lasts. But all you need is yourself a sander. Any sander will do it. Some will be better, some will be worse. You should have dust collection or some way to try to minimize the dust. I have fans, and I'm going to fast forward through some of this. It's going to be a little loud, but you get. Alright, step one completed. Got the majority of that finish off of there, exposing the bare wood. Now, the second step, before we can electrocute it, we need to put some conductive solution onto it. So, this is kind of an important step. You don't want to get this stuff all over the place, and you also want to be a little cautious. You're making wood wet. It's not necessarily the best thing for it, nor is electrocuting it. So basically we just go over here and we start applying it. Make sure we get everywhere. Obviously you don't want to miss anything. Anywhere that is dry, it will not conduct. So just, yeah, think that, get a little bit in the air hole, just a airport. Make sure that's all clear. And now we're ready for electricity. Alright, step 3 done. Inside this wonderful box here is a high voltage transformer. As a disclaimer, this is very dangerous. I do not recommend anyone doing this. It is not worth your life. If you do not do the correct procedures to keep yourself safe, this will kill you. So on that note, let's kill this guitar. Alright, we got powered everything. We're going to start the process. Of course. Wow. Isn't that just nice? Let's take a look while she's still hot and fresh. Not too shabby. Far from good, but good from far. Wow, not only does she look better, I'd say, might even sound a little better. Well, like I said, this is kind of a how not to, but I thought this might be kind of interesting. Hope you enjoy.